Introducing the ARCCAPTAIN MIG205 6-in-1 welding machine, a next-generation welding solution designed to deliver power, precision, and smart control in one compact system. Built for professionals, fabricators, and serious DIY users, this machine combines advanced technology with unmatched versatility. This multi-process welder integrates 6 essential welding modes including Gas MIG, Gasless MIG, MMA, stick, lift TIG, spot welding, and Spool Gun Aluminum welding, giving you the flexibility to handle a wide range of materials and applications with a single machine. Whether you're working on aluminum, stainless steel, or carbon steel, it adapts effortlessly to your needs. One of its standout features is the Smart App Control System, allowing you to adjust welding parameters directly from your smartphone. You can fine-tune settings, save custom profiles, and monitor performance in real time, bringing a new level of convenience and precision to your workflow. Powered by a 240-volt system with up to 205 A output, the MIG205 delivers strong arc performance, deep penetration, and consistent weld quality. The built-in synergic control technology automatically matches voltage and wire feed speed based on your settings, making it easier to achieve perfect welds, even for beginners. Engineered with an upgraded MCU chip, this machine offers improved welding stability, faster arc starts, and higher thermal efficiency, ensuring smooth operation and reliable results across different projects. Designed for real-world use, it also features 2T, 4T trigger modes, burn-back control, gas flow adjustment, and parameter memory, giving you full control and flexibility during long welding sessions. AFETY and durability are key priorities, with built-in protection systems against overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overload, ensuring long-term reliability even in demanding environments. Compact, portable, and easy to operate, the ARCCAPTAIN MIG205 is perfect for workshops, garages, construction sites, and industrial applications. It eliminates the need for multiple machines, saving space while boosting productivity. If you're looking for a powerful, intelligent, and all-in-one welding solution, the ARCCAPTAIN MIG205 delivers professional-grade performance with modern smart features. One machine, smart control, unlimited welding possibilities.